Everyone, welcome back to the channel. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a smart tip that keep your website safe and professional. So are your WordPress email not delivering, and are your contact form message going to spam or work nowhere? What if I told you that you can send email reliably and securely through Gmail right from your WordPress site? In this video I will show you step by step how to set up Google SMTP using WP Mail SMTP. Let's make your email hit the inbox every single time. Let's dive in. So first go to plugin section and then click on add plugin, and then search WP Mail SMTP, and then click on install now and then click on activate. Now go to your mail setting, WP Mails SMTP setting, and at here you can see there are lots of mailer option at here available. So you can use any mailer option, but in today video I am using Google Gmail option. So select at here, and now we want client ID and client secret for it. So let's dive in with step by step. So first go to Google Console, and then click at here and click on new project, and at here like YouTube demo, and click on create, and then click on REST API and services, click at here, and enable Gmail API. In third step, ensure your new project is selected. So go at here and select YouTube demo, and now go to API library. So I will provide all information at here, so don't worry. And at here you can also see library at here, and if you want, and now search Gmail and select Gmail API, and click on enable. Now we will configure auth consent screen. Okay, now auth consent, click on auth consent screen. There is no currently, so click on get started, and at here give app name. So you can give some name like YouTube demo which you want. There is no issue with it. And click on next, external, click on next, and add here put contact information, and then I agree and continue, and then create. And then create auth 2.0 screen. So go to credential page, okay, and add here select web application, and at here authorize redirect URL, and click at here, and you will get redirect URL from here. Copy redirect URL and then paste, and then create. It is client ID, and so you also want client secret as etc. So don't worry, I will provide. And now click on audience and click on publish app, and then confirm. And then click on client, and then now click on edit. So after this demo I will delete both client ID, client secret, so don't worry. This is client ID, so copy from here and paste at here, and then it is client secret, and then click on save. Okay, now it is coming as like, so first I am removing auth connection so that it will ask again, because I already checked with my auth connection. Yeah, so at here whenever you put this client ID, client secret, etc. at here, so it will ask allow plugin to send email using Google account. So click at here, and it will ask choose an account, so click, and at here click on go to WP mail SMTP unsafe, yeah, and it will ask continue. Now it is connected. Now we will check some mail, etc. So I am sending mail. Now mail successfully sent, and you can also check at here email log. Sorry, something is missing at here, I think. Okay, I am checking in the Gmail. Yeah, now it is coming. Congress test email was sent successfully. So This method you can access send many time we found that email is not sending, etc. So you can use WP mail SMTP with Google. And and if you are finding this helpful, please hit like button. It really helps the channel grow. Also drop a comment below if any step confuse you. I reply to every single question. That's it. Your WordPress email are now powered by Google SMTP and secured using auth. No more missed email, no more spam folder drama. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress guide, and share this with a friend who need email help. Thank you.